someone in the face of hardship, in the face of disappointment, in the face of loss, in the face of grief, maintain hope. Because that's what you're seeing in Palestine. In Palestine, you are seeing Iman in the form of hope. That's what you're seeing. All right? You know that this is, if you read the books of like Imam al-Bayhaqi, he has a book called Furu' al-Iman. I believe that's what it's called, Furu' al-Iman, like the branches of faith. And he has collected all of the hadith where Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is talking about what constitutes Iman. And those different hadith in there where he's explaining that in order for a person to have yaqeen, which is the perfection of Iman, to have absolute certainty in your faith, you have to go through the station of hope. No one can go around it. You have to go through it. And this is the reason why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put you on notice in the Quran. He put you on notice. He let you know. You're going to get tested. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوءِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. Without doubt, we are going to test you. مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ, fear. وَالْجُوء, hunger. وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ, you're going to lose money, property, lives. You're going to be tested with this. But then he ends the verse by saying, give good news to those who can be patient. And in other verses in the Quran, it's explained in different ways. So for example, in Surah Al-Mulk, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala starts off saying, الَّذِي خَلَقَ الْمَوْتَ وَالْحَيَاةَ لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ. He created death and life just to test you. And then in the very next verse, he tells you why. أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ أَمَلًا. Which one of you is going to be, they're going to have spiritual excellence in their actions. The meaning is, we're going to test you. That's what life is all about. That's why you have to experience death. How are you going to respond? That's the question. أَيُّكُمْ أَحْسَنُ أَمَلًا. Which of you is going to have ihsan in his actions? Ihsan, spiritual excellence. You want to see spiritual excellence? Despite bala, look at the Palestinians. Like you might wake up in the morning and your tire is flat. And you're like, why me? I'm running late. My boss is going to. My professor is going to. Man, what if you wake up in the morning and everybody in your family is dead except you? Can you say Alhamdulillah despite that? That's what we're witnessing in Palestine. In the books of Tazkiyah, they give you these stations that you have to pass through if you're going to reach yaqeen, certainty of faith. So it starts with tawbah, right? You just got to start making tawbah for being ghafil, just being heedless in your life. You just say, Ya Allah, forgive me. Ya Allah, tub alayya. Cover me, Ya Allah, sturni, Ya Allah, bi sitrika al-jameel, Ya Allah, cover me with a beautiful covering, right? And you just stay there until the ghafla begins to leave. Because the ulama, they say that the sign that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has forgiven you for something is that He makes it easy for you to overcome that thing.